Hi to all of you, my name is Yalida. Welcome to my channel Learning for Life Homeschool. Today I would like to share with you a little bit of motivation for all those homeschool moms. If you're new doing homeschool or you have been homeschooling for a few years, this is for you because sometimes in our lives we all have faced some challenge along the way. And as a homeschool mom, I know very well the sacrifices that one has to make. And you're not the only one that has been feeling sometimes tired or feeling like giving up. That happens to all the parents who homeschool. Sometimes we feel frustration, sometimes we feel insecure of what we're doing. That's why I said in one of my previous videos that homeschool can be a wonderful adventure, but it still can be very challenging. I'll tell you today what are some of the challenges I have faced during the past 11 years of homeschooling my children. The first years were very difficult for me and my daughter because it was a new experience, and second, because I still have a school mind and I wanted to do everything like school does. And remember, I didn't know about the teaching methods, so everything I did, it was like the traditional way, like in school. And on top of that, I didn't know my daughter really well. Maybe you say, what? What do you say? But you're the mother. How is that you didn't know your daughter really well? Well, remember that children spend most of the time in school. But when you have them 24/7 in your house, that's when you get to know them well. That's when you learn about their learning styles, their weakness, their strengths. You learn so many things about them. So at first I didn't comprehend my daughter. I didn't know many details of her learning styles, and not only that, I didn't have too much patience. But the fact is that the problem wasn't my daughter, the problem was me. I had not understood yet that homeschool is not the same as public school. Now I understand that homeschool is not bringing public school to your house. Homeschool is a lifestyle. It's an adventure for both, for children and their parents. So at first I was so concerned of what I had to teach to my daughter that I was missing so many things. I was not looking the landscape along the way, and the person who was absorbing my stress, who was my own daughter. Until one day I was talking to my mother about my daughter's behavior because my daughter didn't want to do the homeschool work. And my mother told me that it wasn't her. It was that my daughter was reflecting my stress and my insecurity. Another thing that helped me a lot is that I started to make habits and being constant. I had to learn to stay positive because every time something didn't work out, I got very frustrated. That's how I started homeschooling. But I never gave up. As you see, here I am. I'm still homeschooling. And believe it or not, I'm still learning. I still make mistakes. But the important thing is not to never give up, okay? Because nobody's perfect. So you have to be brave, learn the lesson, and move forward. Don't give up, okay? What has helped me not to give up? I wrote some of the things that I think that have helped me, so I would like to share them with you. First of all, remember and be clear about the reason why I decided to take care of my children's education. It's because children are a gift from God, and the best way to show appreciation for that gift is to take care of them in every way. And that is exactly what you and I are doing, protecting them from bad influence and many dangers. Second, I learned not to change the goals even though I had to change the work plan. Third, create habits. This year I made a habit of doing exercise in the morning and giving my sons the homeschool works and recreation starting at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And other habits have been helping my son to finish what he starts. So my advice for all of you who are starting to homeschool is to stay very positive and enjoy this lifestyle. Don't pay attention to negative comments because most of the persons that make negative comments, even if they're professionals, they don't even know what homeschool is about. So don't pay attention to negative comments, okay? Believe in yourself and don't give up. Keep doing what you're doing. And remember, try to make good habits and stay constant. And at the same time, you can be flexible. Try to get in your children's place and also respect their limitations. So that's all what I wanted to share with you today. I hope you like this video. I also wanted you to know that my first language is Spanish. That's why I tend to talk a little bit slow and I don't pronounce too good the words. So forgive me for that, but I'm still learning, like I said in this video, and I'm improving. But that what is life is about. We are learning along the way, and I hope that in few years my English is better. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the post notification so you get notified every time I upload new videos. So see you next time, and thank you again for watching my video. Bye.